And now, a message from the director. It was my intention to publish on April Fool's Day, today I guess, a very funny and silly video. But I did not have time to get it done. This is a video that I've been planning since 2016 or 17, and I still have not gotten it done. I put it off and put it off, saying, oh, next April Fool's Day I'll do it. But this year I said, I'm going to work on it. So, even though I didn't really have time, I've been working a lot recently. Most people are, off of work or out of school and all that. But I have apparently been deemed essential, which means I get to work many, many more hours than I'm used to. But I get to go around saying, I am essential, which I enjoy a lot. But anyway, this picture, after working a 9-hour day, with a 1-hour break of course, I came home and I sat down at the computer and I worked and worked and worked on cutting this picture out, this picture of the mouse mine. For 4 hours! I worked for 4 hours on cutting this picture out. My plan was to cut the mouse mine out and place it somewhere silly. And I took this picture during Tweetsie Road Heritage Week in 2017. And I took the picture with this idea in mind. It shows you how long I put off things sometimes, if I just don't feel like it. But I did it. I cut out every little bit of it. I zoomed in 200% and painfully cut out around the bell and the smokestack and all these other parts. And I used a different tool than I'm used to, mainly because it had the option of drawing straight lines, which I knew would save me a lot of time. Since the mouse mine from behind, it looks rather square. And it did save me a lot of time, but when I got done, I clicked to cut out the picture. And instead of cutting out the mouse mine engine and leaving only the mouse mine engine with nothing around it, it instead erased the mouse mine, and I ended up with this. Now, while I think this is a very nice looking picture, it certainly does a good job of making you think, was there even a mouse mine there? It just isn't what I wanted. I wanted to have the mouse mine by itself, and I could do silly things with it. But it wasn't meant to be. Instead, it was meant to be that I give you this message instead. So since you have plenty of time on your hands, possibly, especially if you're watching this, I would like to recommend some of my older, longer videos that haven't got enough views, in my opinion. I'm going to put them on the screen, hopefully, in the last 20 seconds of this video. You see, I marked this video not made for kids, so that you can comment on it if you feel like it, and also I can link other videos at the end of this video. Because YouTube has made it so that videos that are marked made for kids cannot have links to other videos at the end, and cannot have comments. And I haven't decided on which ones I'll put, but I know for sure that I'm going to put the Tweetsie last train ride on July 4th, 2017 video. Even though it has a copyright claim, which it mysteriously goes away every few months and pops back up. But even though it has a copyright claim, I still would like you to watch it since it's the video that I am most proud of. Yeah, I think it's very nice. So thank you for watching this. Alright. Be safe.